What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful black color Hyundai Santa Fe. Take a look guys, let's walk around to show you guys how amazing this car actually looks. It looks super huge and absolutely fantastic. Check out the rear, how it angles down and boxes up like that with all these brake lights that are located right at the rear. We will walk through the details to show you guys how this black color actually looks like with the brown interior. Absolutely nice indeed. Now let's start off with the front. Now check out the lights guys. You have this H-like design of a light. You have this amazing grille that we have right here that goes across. I love all this XX stuff that's happening. The satin finish of a front logo, love that. Now let's take a look at the bottom and we will notice that there are some openings for air to flow through, so that improves the aero on the car. And also you got some opening down here for air to go through as well. Number plate goes right there. You got some sensors located all over the car, front bumper. You got your 360 camera right in the center here. So that's very nice indeed. The right lights over here, your main headlights are located on the inside, but just check out how beautiful and boxy this car looks. Now let's jump to the wheels. The wheels on this are looking in this matte finish. I love how the satin stuff that's on the car, So tire size 245/45 R21. Amazing looking wheels, like a blade fan, Hyundai badging right there. Love how the wheel looks. Now let's take a look on the other side to show you guys how the front wheels look like with the light, the sunlight hitting it. Check it out. Can you see what I mean? Love how this satin finish wheel looks like. So you get your solid disc brakes on the inside. Caliper is located right there. Beautiful touch. Now let's jump to the side of the car. You have your Santa Fe wording right here on this, again, satin finish texture at the side of the door. You got your gloss black wheel arch, this cut right here that goes down, amazing. You got this satin finish once again, be a different texture, all the way down here straight to the end. Now this side right here, different texture again. So this is different, that's different. So beautiful. Got some lining that goes straight to the end. Let's open up the doors and check out the door side guys. Damn. Wooden texture right here. You got your aluminium kind of like side metal plates that we have right here. The texture is just fine, man. I love it. I love how the finishing is. You get some leather on top here, some PU perhaps, stitching right there. Amazing. You got your unlocking and locking stuff happening right down here. Windows to go up and down, hands to go in to close the door. You got some compartment storage down there together with your Bose sound system. Damn, beautiful. You got your Santa Fe wording right there for the door plates. You got your Santa Fe wording on the carpets, and you got your seat adjustments located right there. You can choose to recline back the whole seat and bring this forward if you wish to. I'm not sure if I can do that right now. Perhaps the car needs to be started, but from what I know is if I can just, oh cool man, so I press start. Check it out man, dude, check that out. So I believe I can roll it back and properly relax here comfortably for the front passenger. Damn, why not, right? So push that back. Wow, it just goes forward back. Amazing. So let's push that forward again and let's take a seat on the inside right here. So first thing we should notice is this H-like design of a light. Can you see what I mean? One line down, one line from left to the right. Beautiful. I love this brown finish and also the wooden texture right here. All this two-tone stuff, three-tone stuff is fantastic guys. So let's start with the top right here. You got your Bose sound system right there, amazing. You got this amazing texture of a leather dashboard with this stitching that goes right there. Leather again, the brown finish right here. Let's press that. Amazing. This is your ultraviolet cleaning kind of like section where you can put your, how to say this, sunglasses, your phone, whatnot. What do you feel like you want to clean? Put it in there, turn it on. So ultraviolet cleaning. So amazing. So you have your air vents right here. Again, this H-like kind of like design. Amazing. So storage place down here to keep some stuff from rolling all over the place. It's very grippy down here. You got all this boxed up stuff happening right down here. Let's open that up. Check this out. This is your glove compartment storage. Amazing. So in the center right here, you got your home, map, search, media, seek, track, and whatnot that's happening down here. So temperature adjustments, fan speed, all can be done here. Sensors for your parking, I believe this is your 360 and also auto parking. Hill descent, this is your auto start stop, this is your driving mode. Together with different kind of terrains you can change, right? So drive terrain, and also auto hold for your braking, and yeah, onning and offing your system right here for the car. So beautiful texture for the finishing for the screen. And down here you have your other connectivities happening down here, so you can switch between what you want to use, what you don't want to use this for, you know. So this type C is specifically for charging, or is it for connectivity, or just for charging alone. So right down here you have your other type C charging and also some other settings right here. And so this I believe should be some other temperature kind of like things, or other sort of connectivities. Gotta figure that out later. So wireless charging here and here, cup holder goes right here, so you get your other storage places down here. It's brand new as well, so we're not going to touch that. Amazing touch, guys, amazing. So right now I'm sitting comfortably right here at the front passenger seat. So this is me sitting comfortably right on the inside here with the brown interior, so it blends in really well and very nice indeed. We'll get to the driver's side shortly, but in the meantime, let's admire how beautiful and brown finish this car actually is. I love this black suede finish Alcantara at the top. A lot of quality here, guys. Damn. You got your shade to open up the front, to open up the rear. A lot of lightings here to adjust, passenger airbags and other settings for you to choose. You got this frameless like mirror for the rear. So fantastic. So let's get right down. Let's open up the rear doors and let's check this out. You got your shades to pull up and pull down. You got again this different kind of a texture of a finish for the side and also your door handles. You got this wooden finish right here. You got this PU sort of like leather at the top right here with some stitching that happens all the way. Brown leather armrests for you to rest your arm. Open up your windows. These are for your heated cooling, I think heated seats I believe. And this should be your cup holders right here, compartment storage down there, again for another bottle perhaps. This Bose sound system. You got your Santa Fe how to say this plates on this side. Now we are able to sit at the back side in a while more, but before that let's check out the seats. Super spacious indeed. Now let's hop right in, show you guys how amazing this car actually feels. So you got some storage down here, you got a place to hang some stuff here and here. Again, this HH stuff happening here. Beautiful look, check out that. Check that out. Glass is amazing, guys. Damn. So open up from here. You can keep some stuff from this side as well. Amazing, right? How you can open stuff from both places. You get, I believe, some other things happening down here. Storage place to keep some stuff. Fantastic indeed. Check the seats out at the rear. Beautiful looking indeed. Check out the glass roof. Fantastic indeed. Check out the side. Amazing. So yeah, this is me sitting comfortably at the rear passenger seat. And also I noticed you got your Type C charging right here, you got your Type C charging right here, and other adjustments for you to adjust to push the seat forward if I wish to. So this can be even a comfortable seat for me to be sitting down here as well. So that's cool. Now let's jump right to the back. Before that, let's get right down. And let's do perhaps this or this. There we go. There we go. So goes right down, and if I wish for it to go forward, I can just press that and move it forward indeed. So amazing touch. So let's hop right into the rear. Before that, let's put this carpet right down so we can sit comfortably right in, and we are back at the rear. So amazing space, storage for a car like this. Amazing legroom feel. I mean, you got your speakers right there, you got your aircon right here, you got Type C charging right here. Two cup holders can go just right there. Seat belts are in black. Again, seat belts are in black. For me at the back right here, you got a hook to hook it on, so that's kind of cool. This black finish right here goes at the back. It's for you to pull down the rear seats. Over there, air vent, climate control adjustments, turn off fan speed or not, Type C charging, cup holder goes down there, and this right here is a railing that goes across from here all the way to there. So there's going to be a railing right here in the center. So that's kind of cool. So let's push that back to show you guys how much space this car actually has. Let's push that down. So again, this is with somebody adjusted the front seats earlier. So probably it's going to stay there because I moved it to the front earlier. But yeah, somebody at the front can choose to lower it towards the back. But this right here, it's not being adjusted. So let's just hop right in, show you guys. This is me sitting. That has tons of space, so that can actually move forward. But this is me sitting right here. And even though it's touching my knee, I don't feel it's tight. I feel it's good. It's comfortable, it's not hard. Seats are soft. Your headrest can come up if you wish to, so it's a choice. Let's push this down. I'm not so sure if this can actually push forward willingly. Okay, nope. Let's push that down also as well. Amazing indeed. So yeah, it's kind of cool. So if there's a button right here to adjust the second row and third row, you can push it back up if you wish to over here, but from the booth. So now let's get right down first. So this is me pushing back the rear seats. Okay, cool. And goes right back. Amazing. So we'll do that over there for the other seats. But in the meantime, let's check out the petrol tank. Again, you got this right here. So what's fantastic about this is that you can put your hand in. Sorry, I believe it's on the other side. For you to go into and climb the car to go on top if you're going to store something on top, such as your roof railings that are right there, right? So example like this over here. So you hook on, step on here, and then you go right on top. So that's a nice touch that they have for that. So now let's check out the rear. We got your brake lights located right in the center, camera right there. We'll talk about the railing shortly, but amazing touch. I like the satin finish, badging for the Hyundai. The Santa Fe wording is also satin finish to match the wordings right there, as you can see. Santa Fe, beautiful. So your hitch-like design for your brake lights are located right there. So you also get your turn indicators located right here. Reverse light should be happening somewhere around down here, and reflectors, amazing indeed. Number plate goes right there. So it's a very squarish design for the rear, but let's now open up the rear to show you guys the boot. So yeah, your lights will go down there as well for the brakes. So let's push this down. So let's push that. Amazing touch. So the seat goes fully down, and we can do the same thing over here as well. So let's pull that. Amazing indeed. So seat goes right down. So this can also choose to be folded down, or you want to fold it back up. It's totally up to you. So push that and push that right down. So it is kind of cool. See the amount of space this car actually can give you. Tons of space, man, dude. I don't know what you guys want to store inside here, but it's absolutely huge. You got your 12-volt charging to go right down there. Amazing indeed. Amazing space, man. This is super huge. Wow. So underneath here, I believe there are some other things that you can keep, such as your tire repair kit, I believe, your towing hook. This is your ADAS battery, and also some other storage down there. So fantastic storage for this car. Now let's jump to the rear part of this to show you guys the amount of space that currently is available for this car. Super huge, man. Super huge. Santa Fe wording at the side there. Doors again similar. Now the railing right here is in this satin finish on the top. I love this, man, dude. I like all this satin stuff. Glass roof right there. Damn tune. I like that. I love that. So let's open up the doors and take a look at the door side. Okay, so we have your memory seats 1 and 2, handles right there, wooden texture right here. Again, this satin stuff happening right here. Got some for the stitching at the door side, brown leather right here. Child lock for the windows and the doors, window adjustments up and down, lock and unlock. You got your side mirror adjustments left and right, handle to hold to close the door and open up the doors. You have your compartment storage together with your bottle. Bose sound system, amazing. Santa Fe wording right there, Santa Fe wording at the carpet. You also get your seat adjustments to go up and down. You even can recline the driver's seat for you to relax your legs. Dude, what? Amazing. So yeah, let's show you guys. Check that out. I mean, like, why? You know, why? Just because you can. So that's kind of cool. I like that. I like that a lot. So let's head down to the inside right here and check out how amazing the steering wheel is designed. I love the design of the steering wheel because there's a two-tone texture for this. Beautiful. Cruise control settings, lane keeping assist, everything that's happening right here. Distance between you and the front car. Other settings for you to choose on this side. On this side right here is other modes that you can choose. And I believe, maybe, I gotta find out a little bit more. But other modes probably is like different driving modes perhaps. Or other modes for your settings, I'm not so sure. We'll talk about that in the future. Voice command, favorite button, answering calls, volume up, volume down, and other settings to go up and down. So very nice indeed. You got your gear lever right here now, as I mentioned before. Beautiful gear lever where you rotate back and forth, and P for parking. I mean, like, dude. Other ones is like huge, you gotta pull it down and pull it up, but this is like, you know, unique. So air vents right here, you got your handbrake that goes right there, you got your traction control to close the boot, and also your lights. So let's check out the rear, how the boot actually closes. Kind of cool, right? Amazing. So that's how the rear boot closes. Sitting comfortably in the driver's seat, this is me, and the beautiful two-tone steering wheel, two-tone interior, wooden stuff, brown stuff, black stuff, suede material at the top. Beautiful, beautiful texture, beautiful finish. So I have a switch to on the lights as well on top here, so that is very cool indeed. Wow, such a nice car, man, dude. Such a nice car indeed. Compartment storage down there to keep some stuff. 12-volt charging again. Beautiful texture, beautiful finish. So that is it, guys, for today. Wait a minute, we gotta actually turn on the indicators to show you guys. Side mirrors have your turn indicators right there. Your whole hitch LED light earlier changed into this turn indicator, so it looks absolutely aggressive, guys. Take a look, dude. Super aggressive from the front, from the back. Let's check out the back to show you guys how sporty this car actually looks. Very much aggressive, man, dude. Very squarish design. Turn indicators down there and there. Exhaust pipes on one side only, right there. Cool, amazing. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Hyundai cars, do drop by to Ara Damansara. They have tons of cars here. Take a look. Amazing cars for you guys to take a look at and feel. And to find out more about their cars, you can check out the description below and get in touch with them. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.